Hey guys, Peter from my Bonza channel, and today I'm going to do a review of the Navman Drive 2.0 which I bought recently for my overseas trip. But before we do that, don't forget to like, to subscribe and to click that bell so you don't miss out on future videos. The reason for my purchase of this particular GPS is because I'm planning to do a trip overseas, and I was going to be hiring a car a couple of times while I'm over there, and to hire a GPS was going to cost me $300 extra on top of my rental for both hires. So I figured that was a waste of money. I thought I'd buy my own GPS, and that way I could have something to keep when I come back. Anyway, I wanted a GPS with a camera because I figured if I'm driving everywhere around Europe, I'll be missing out certain things for sure, and this way, hopefully with the camera, I can review some of the stuff that I missed while I was driving. The Navman Drive Duo does have that camera on the back. When considering a GPS, there was something I really required, and that was I needed to connect it. As I said, I was hiring two cars, so I wanted to be able to shift it from one car to another. You can't do that with every GPS. Some GPS require you to actually adhere the back plate to, and that was no good for me. I wanted something with a suction cup, and the Navman Drive Duo 2.0 has that. Really easy to stick on, very sturdy, it hasn't fallen off once. The Navman will click in and out quite easily, which is something that I also required because I wasn't intending to leave the Navman in the car. Being in Europe and all, I'm sure they'd probably knock it off. This way I can take it with me. Now, the Navman takes incredible video footage. You can also take photos if you so require. You can see that playing behind me right now. So I have no qualms about that. Quite easy to set up, also very good for that. It also has Bluetooth compatibility. Unfortunately, even though it connected seamlessly with my iPhone, I found the quality of the call very poor. And I wouldn't recommend it for its Bluetooth quality. Other than that, it does everything I wanted it to. Like I said, videos were great. Would have been nice if when you connect it to your computer, you would get the Navman screen. Unfortunately, when you connect to the computer, you get the computer connectivity type screen, which is like a computer line Navman. That means you can't actually access the Navman to program, say, stops and things in it while it's connected to your computer. I thought that was a flaw, but you may not worry about that. It would have been nice if I could have done that. It didn't. It is what it is. Other than that, I think it is a good GPS. I'm hoping that I have no qualms with it while I'm over in Europe. If you want to know how that went, leave a comment below, and when I get back, I'll let you know. Once again, guys, it was only a quick review, why I bought it. Another good little feature before I go. You'll notice that is your car adapter, and you'll notice, hopefully, right there's a little USB port. And I think that's a great feature because that way I can charge my phone as I'm driving, because I'm sure I'll be needing that. I don't think there's anything else. It's only a quick review, guys. Didn't want to keep you long. Once again, Peter from my Bonza channel. Don't forget to like, to subscribe to my channel, and also to click that little bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. Loved having you here, guys. Hope to see you next time. Peter, my Bonza channel, signing off. Ciao for now.